We wanted to hear it from the lady herself. May I please call upon Ms. Vani Kumari Gowda, the CFO of VBest Educare, to have some words with us and how her experience of this season has been, please.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಾರಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು. ಅಷ್ಟು ದೂರದಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬಂದು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕೂತು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಮಕ್ಕಳುಗಳು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆರ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಿರಾಶೆ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪ್ನಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫೈನಾಲೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರೋ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸನ್ನಿವೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಕೂತು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೋಆಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದ ವಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
Alright, we move on. Are we good for the grand finale? The girls are ready. 2 girls are going to be in the competition. There's a tie between Sri Chandana and Sunaina. And alright, we go to the grand climax here. There's going to be one winner who's going to be selected. We've got 2 girls in the fray. And this is category 4. And it goes into a buzzer. A best of 3 buzzer, as we say. We'll see if somebody goes 2 up. And we don't need a third one. Your first word on this buzzer round is eloquently. Sunaina.
ELOQUETLY.
That's the wrong answer. You get a -5. Hard luck on that one. Your next word on this one is diaspora. Chandana.
DIASPORA.
That's right, Chandana. Very, very well done. Thank you so much. All right, nail biting is the right word, ladies and gentlemen. It goes on to the edge. There was best of 3. She went in for her gut and she was unfortunately wrong. But Chandana held her nerve to give us the right answer. That was fantastically done, Chandana, all the way from Shimoga. Really, really well played on that one. But that's how tough these rounds can get. This is category 4. And the kids have been really, really fantastic in raising the bar this time. It's been a nail-biting finish, to say the least. And I'm super excited to go on to the announcing of the results in all the 4 categories. And we've got the results coming in pretty soon. I'm going to get the result sheet and join you in awarding all these fantastic kids who, in my view, each one of them are winners, because out of 5,000 kids, 3 of them in each category have come together. Is quite awesome, and they have to celebrate that awesomeness, and we've got to make them celebrate this evening even more. And I'm going to go on with the prize distribution right away.